6 quart capacity. Makes up to 6 quarts of delicious ice cream, frozen yogurt or gelato. Nostalgia ice cream kits. Unit works perfectly with all nostalgia ice cream mixes. Try Vanilla Crème, ICP-825VAN, chocolate, ICP-825CHOC, strawberry, ICP-825STRAW, and no sugar added vanilla, ICP-825VANSF. Easy to clean. Bucket makes it easy to clean up and wipe away messes. See-through lids. Cover the ice cream canister with included see-through lid to easily view ice cream flavor and for freezer storage. Powerful electric motor. Electric motor does all the churning, which means no manual effort. Motor lock. Notches keep the motor in place, keeping all parts secure during the ice cream making process. Real wood construction. Reminiscent of Grandma's simple hand crank ice cream maker. This bucket is made with real wood slats to create an old-fashioned ice cream making experience. Recipes included. Follow the recipes included in the manual or make your own delicious creation. Top reviews from the United States. Oh yeah, there's nothing better than homemade ice cream. My family has always made homemade ice cream as a special treat throughout the year. Now that I am a grandmother, I am teaching my own grandchildren to appreciate the simplicity of homemade things. Nostalgia 6-quart ice cream maker is the perfect size for family gatherings. It makes it easy to produce a perfect product every time and the kids have fun helping. Easy cleanup, too.